Imagine you decide to open a lemonade stand. But you are not just any kid on a sidewalk. You are a citrus tycoon in the making. You reach into your piggy bank and pull out $100 of your own hard-earned lawn mowing money. This is your equity. It is the skin you have in the game. You buy the lemons, you buy the sugar, you buy a gold-plated pitcher because you have expensive taste. At the end of the summer, you have made $20 in pure profit. Your return on equity is 20%. You took your own $100 and turned it into 20 more. That is the heartbeat of business. It is the measure of how much magic a company can perform with the actual cash the owners put on the table. Now let us look at your neighbor. We will call him Chad. Chad also wants to start a lemonade stand. Chad has $100 just like you, but Chad is a financial chaos demon. He spends his $100 on a single fancy sign. Then he goes to the local mob boss and borrows $900 more to buy a pressurized lemon cannon. Now Chad has $1,000 worth of stuff. At the end of the year, Chad also makes $20 in profit. On paper, it looks like you are both doing the same, but Chad is a disaster. His return on equity is trash because he is using an enormous mountain of total assets just to make the same $20 you made with a tiny pile of cash. Return on equity is the ultimate BS detector. It tells you if a company is a lean, mean profit machine or just a bloated whale floating on borrowed money. To calculate it, you just take the net income and divide it by the shareholders' equity. If a company has $1 million in equity and makes $200,000 in profit, that is a 20% ROE. That is a beautiful sight. It means for every dollar the investors gave them, the company is spitting out 20 cents of pure gain every single year. Think of ROE like a chef in a kitchen. Equity is the ingredients the chef started with. Profit is the delicious meal they cooked. If Chef A can take $10 worth of potatoes and turn them into a $50 gourmet gnocchi, that is a high ROE. That chef is a wizard. If Chef B takes $10,000 worth of saffron and truffles and produces the same $50 meal, that chef is a moron. They are wasting resources. High ROE shows you which companies are the wizards and which ones are just burning through cash to stay upright. But you have to be careful. Sometimes a company has a sky-high ROE because they have almost no equity left. Imagine a tech company that is so successful they paid out all their cash to shareholders. Or imagine a company that took on so much debt that their equity is tiny. If a company has only $1 of equity and they make $2 of profit, their ROE is 200%. That sounds legendary. But in reality, it means they are walking a tightrope over a canyon of debt. They are one bad day away from exploding. You want to look for the sweet spot. You want the company that consistently hits a 15 or 20% ROE year after year without relying on insane amounts of debt. These are the compounders. These are the companies that take your dollar and grow it into a skyscraper while the other guys are still trying to figure out how to peel a lemon. If you see a company with a 5% ROE, run away. They are essentially a giant, expensive piggy bank that barely grows. You could probably get a better return by putting your money in a high-yield savings account and taking a nap. A low ROE means the management is essentially using a Ferrari to deliver pizzas. It is a waste of a perfectly good machine. When you go out into the stock market world, stop looking at just the big, shiny profit numbers. Look at what they did with what they had. If a company can make $1 billion by using $10 billion of equity, they are just okay. If they can make that same billion using only $2 billion of equity, they are a superstar. ROE is the magnifying glass that lets you see who is actually running a business and who is just playing with a giant pile of other people's money. Always remember that equity is your money. If the company is not giving you a good return on it, they are essentially taking your premium fuel and putting it into a lawnmower. Find the companies that treat your equity like high-grade uranium to power a rocket ship. Your wallet will thank you, and you will finally be able to afford that gold-plated lemonade pitcher of your dreams.